water. And soap. When teacher Mel said,
So from
this one.
Marshall
Oh,
example.
Marshall. Okay, Marshall, this is the soap. Everybody say soap. 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 Small basin. Big. Big. Okay, so we have soap, small basin, and big. Okay, and water. So, teacher Mel will ask you to line up first. Later, line up. And then you have to wait for teacher Mel and teacher Nin outside. One line for the boys, one line for the girls. Very good. And then one by one, you have to carry your small basin and go in front of the tap or faucet. Okay, then don't do anything yet. Teacher Mel will tell you how to wash your clothes step by step. Teacher Mel will say, okay, everybody, put down your basin. Put down the pot like this. And then stand straight. And then teacher Mel will say, okay, everybody, open the tap. Open, right now, okay, open the tap. And then you put water in your bead and in your small basin. And then teacher Mel will give you some soap, alright? I'll put soap on your basin and then teacher Mel will say, okay, step 3. Scrub your bead. Everybody say scrub. Scrub. When I say scrub with water and soap, you do like this. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Count it like that, alright? And then you will see the bubbles. And then it's time to rinse. When it's time to rinse, you have to get your bead. When teacher Mel said, okay, everybody, it's time to rinse. Get your bead. Do like this. Do like this. And then squeeze. Everybody say squeeze. Squeeze your bead. And then the water with soap, you throw it away. And then get another, open again the top. And then you need clean water and rinse your bead. Okay, and then we're going to hang. Your bead to dry. Do you understand? Do you understand?